Alright, I have Random here with Dakota and Jake today.
And a guest, but we're not going to include him.
I bought something interesting. He thought it was a stupid idea for me to spend $25 on it. But it's called a Boombox version 2. It is come in that box right there. It can either be amplified with USB or 2 AAA batteries, which are right there. But it's like a mini. It's a 1-inch cone, and I really don't know how to explain it. It's like an amplifier. It's like a speaker amplifier.
It takes an aux input,
and it even comes with an auxiliary extender and the power cord. The only thing it didn't come with was batteries, which that's kind of understandable.
And we got 3 demonstrations. One is a big Nike box.
Can you hit play, please?
Whoa, wait a minute.
What?
What? That sounds better. Put it on the body.
It's got a silicone tip, which is sticky, and every time it gets dirty, you just take a wipe of your finger on your tongue, wipe it off, and it's sticky again.
It's a piece of styrofoam with a good volume of sound. And then
the more bass there is, the less good it sounds. It also said, the guy that I bought it from said it would work with single pane glass windows.
Which that has the right amount of bass. But there is a weird. Here, just for shits and gigs, try it with a CD.
I was gonna do that.
Even a CD.
We're actually gonna make a demonstration out of this if Jake would please pause that.
There's no pause button, but we can always cut it. And we're down here on Zach's truck, of all things. The hood. As soon as he finds a song, we're gonna listen to it.
Waiting for the program to open.
Oh, cause you're using Pandora or something, right?
No, I'm just waiting for my music thing to load. Okay, there it is.
Should have did this before.
I hope you guys can plainly hear that.
Is that as loud as it gets? That actually sounds pretty good.
Pop the hood.
So you're just gonna put your phone on it.
Where's your thing at?
Bus is here. From a little orb about like that.
That's gonna soak up vibration.
Just try to put it on the body.
Well, it probably won't work on the body. Try the windshield.
I can hear it from here. Is that a chip?
Yeah.
What an idiot. Put it on
Dash.
the try
dash.
Or the dash.
He said dash too.
Put it on the back of your phone.
He said it also would work on the side of your helmet.
Oh, if your radio goes bad, you can always do that. You can actually see the driver moving. Of course, my zoom ain't gonna work.
This is harder plastic.
That sounds good. Tailgate. Who needs a high-powered system? We got a little orb. There's a pretty good resonance in it. And on the underside, sounds worse.
So that's fucking loud.
Maybe that wasn't the best idea. Still think putting it on the side might do something. Positive results. The whole bed.
Alright, Jake, I'll give you what you want.
That's right.
You can hear pretty good doing that.
I put it in the hole.
So as you can see, this little thing is generating all that sound pressure in metal, cardboard, styrofoam, even my phone.
Not the best results, but it still gives you
There's
results.
a lot of bass in it. But I mean, hell, that's pretty awesome. If you ask me, I think that was a cool investment. I think I made a good job on that investment.
A lot better than I expected.
Alright guys, this is iHoodX Random signing off with the Boombox version 2. Recommend it. You can find it on Amazon and eBay. See you guys.